Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, November 21st, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a $6,000 referral secret that nobody really talks about. And if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for almost 20 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, imagine having a program where you could earn $6,000, up to $6,000 per referral. Would that change your life? Imagine if you had one of those signups every single month. Okay? And before I go any further, I can't guarantee that you'll make any money if you join this program or any program that I'm a part of. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But it is possible. Okay? And the reason I'm sharing this opportunity is because the majority of people that I work with, they've been involved in the work from home space, or they've had businesses that they've tried, or they've been part of opportunities here and there. But I'll tell you what, it's more and more people that I'm talking to or that are reaching out for help, they have never have done anything online. All right, more and more people are reaching out who have never done anything online or have never had a work from home business before. These people are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income, all right? Because we all know that times are tough right now for a lot of people. So that is why I'm sharing this opportunity where you can earn up to $6,000 per referral, all right? Most people in this industry, they know that there's high ticket programs out there. But the people who are just coming into the work from home space or just learning about this, a lot of them aren't aware of it because most people don't promote high ticket programs. Most people are trying to get people into their $10 a month programs. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. I belong to several $10 a month programs. My number one opportunity, QuickSilver, is a $10 a month program. Okay? But there are other programs out there that can help you build up a nice, make more money quicker. And like I said, I can't guarantee if you'll make any money if you join me, but you have the opportunity, the potential to earn bigger commissions with the same amount of effort that it takes to bring somebody into a $10 program, right? So if you have a $10 program and you're sharing it with everybody and you're getting a sign up here and there, imagine taking that same energy and effort and promoting an opportunity where you could earn up to $6,000 per referral. It takes the same amount of work, right? And think of how many people would you need to make $6,000 on a $10 monthly program, right? It would take a lot. So the amount of effort that goes into sharing the opportunity is the exact same. And I believe, and I tell all the people that I help out that you should find something that you're passionate about and can stand behind 1,000%, and then go and share that and build that into a nice monthly residual income, $500 to $1,000 consistently, before thinking about adding a new income stream to whatever it is you're already doing. And I do believe strongly that everybody should have a high ticket program as one of their income streams. All right. Now with this particular program, the other night I was reading and I received a $500 commission from it. Okay. And the coolest part is the owner of the company closed the sale for me. So I literally just I make videos like this on YouTube. I create content on Facebook. And I do direct mail. I send out letters in the mail that have all my opportunities in them. All right? And I had the company owner close a $500 sale for me while I was reading a book. So it's a no-brainer to me to have a high income or a high ticket program in your income streams. All right, because just imagine, even if you made a couple $500 sales a month, how that could change your life and how much quicker you can earn more money as opposed to building up a $10 a month program. And again, I'm not saying anything's wrong with a $10 a month program. I love them. I'm part of many of them. But it's good to have a high ticket program in there as well. You know, especially if you've been doing this a while and, you know, you're not seeing much luck. Find a high ticket program, start sharing it out. You know, it doesn't hurt. So if you're only making $10 to sign up in your $10 program, you know, you would need 10 people to make $100. Well, if you had 10 people joining, I mean, at the $6,000 level, you know, that's 60 grand. And it's taking the same amount of energy and effort. So, I don't know. I wanted to talk to you about this opportunity because a lot of people don't know about high ticket programs. They're always, you know, getting into these programs that cost $10 a month. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. You can build big businesses with that. But you can you can make more money by sharing a high ticket program. All right. Because you only need a couple people to join that. Whereas with the $10 a month program, you need a lot of people to join it. Right. So I just want to throw that out there. I'll leave a link to this program down below here, down below the video that you can check out. You can reach out to me if you have any questions. But this is just a proven way to earn faster if you're willing to put in the work. Okay, again, I can't guarantee that you'll have any success or make any money. It's totally dependent on your work ethic. But if you take action and show up every day and stay consistent, this can be a program that can help you earn bigger commissions a lot quicker than sharing out these $10 programs. And it's the same amount of effort, right? And the company owner will close sales for you. So you're basically getting eyeballs in front of your opportunity. The company does everything else. You know, it's something to think about. This pairs up great if you do direct mail marketing. We have postcards for this opportunity. You can mail out flyers, letters like I do, and then we have a complete capture page system that you can use for all of your marketing efforts. You know, where you capture the name and email of somebody, and the system does all the selling and telling for you, and then follows up on your behalf via email. So it's a no-brainer. I like the opportunity. I've been a part of it for a long time now. I don't talk about this opportunity very much, simply because I just, you know, it's kind of one of those programs I have working in the background, and once in a while I get a really nice commission from it. But I'm going to start talking about it more because, you know, like I said, for the same amount of effort that you're putting into building your $10 a month program, you could be putting that effort into this program and have the potential to make bigger commissions, right? So I just wanted to put that out there for everybody. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out. But I guess that's it for this video. So that's it. All right. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you found value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.